Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Algoma Mills, a lakeside community in northern Ontario along the shores of Lake Huron's North Channel. This place is known for its scenic beauty, peaceful atmosphere, and easy access to the outdoors. Back in the late 1800s, the area was an important milling site, processing lumber from the surrounding forests. The name Algoma comes from an indigenous word believed to mean Valley of Flowers, while Mills refers to the sawmills that once operated here. The area is close to hiking trails, islands, and bays that attract nature lovers year-round. Today, Algoma Mills offers a mix of rural living and easy access to the water. Whether you're here to relax by the shore or explore the surrounding wilderness, Algoma Mills is a place where you can slow down and enjoy the moment. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Algoma Mills, Ontario. Thanks for watching.